Guys, and hello, mostly Miles Bamima. Today I'm showing you some of the swapped retextured phase 1 morph. So here's Orin. Here's Raddy. Clucker. Here's Funbot. Here's Vineria. And here's the gang. Here's Grey. Here's Blood. Here's Cool Garnold. Here's oh my Here's Ding Sky. Now here's the was it effects? Miles, you can correct me in your live or video, whatever you're going to be doing on this. If I'm right, I'll call it wrong. Here's Mr. Sun. Here's Dappley. Here's Mr. Tree. And Simon On. Antona. Miles Bamima, Tony. Here's the melodies. Here's Mr. Fun Computer. Here's the special sound. Wenda. Pinky. Jevon. And Black. Then here's the voices. It's song time. Oh guys, there's one more thing I want to show you before we get into more songs. The bonuses. Mold. Guys, Marge my most favourite probably. Okay guys, if you want to see some like a 2-minute phase 2 song, I'll do it right now. I'll show you how it works. Alright, anyways guys, bye. Swam.